Hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nokubongah and you officially tuned in to life with Nokubongah Mkhabela. I hope you do stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So today we are doing a spend the day with me. It is almost half a day actually, but yeah, we're just gonna continue giving the vlogs as we promised. And this week needs a vlog also. So the difference today is that it's not gonna be a spend the weekend with me, because that's what I usually do, but instead it's gonna be a spend a day with me. If you're joining us for the first time anyway, hey, hi, welcome darling. If you're returning subby, thank you for stopping back by. So I decided to dedicate the whole of Saturday to doing laundry, cleaning, washing my shoes, like all of them. And yeah, we are about 2 weeks away from summer, and by then I wanted to make sure that the house is quickly clean, all my clothes are clean. I've had about 3 weeks not doing laundry because it was raining. So yeah, I just decided to dedicate the whole of Saturday for that, and it was so difficult even using a camera for that because I've added a lot of including laundry doing clips on my vlog, so I just wanted to cut that out. So as you can see, I've got a stack of clothes in my bed that needs to be done because they've already dried out. I still have some of the clothes on the line because I kinda completed the rest of the laundry today. That's why I'm starting this vlog so very late. So all in all, the vlog is gonna be so short, probably about less than 10 minutes, but yeah, I hope you do enjoy it. So for now, I'm just gonna go on and make sure that these clothes here are all in the right places. I've already started with like hanging my jackets, jerseys, whatever, and yeah, I'm even done with cleaning, by the way. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on and do a few touch-ups in my room, make sure that the clothes are placed where they're supposed to be together with the ones outside, and yeah, sort my shoes. So yeah, after that I'll probably do cooking because I've not eaten for the whole day. Probably now it's about close to 1, and after that I'm really not sure what to do. Probably I'll lay my wig because I want to do a tutorial. I've not been doing tutorials for some time now. I just get lazy when I have to do tutorials, and it's a pity that I promised my subscribers those tutorials. So yeah, let's just get this half day going. Like I said, I've started like organizing my jackets and yeah, placing them where they're supposed to be. What's left now is dealing with the whole clothes here and the ones that are outside.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like that. With me, baby. Feel like that.
my shoes, I did wash them and tried to organize them. As you can see, they look so clean and good, sorted beneath my bed. My room is so small that I cannot just place them anywhere. But yeah, I feel like they're sorted here and yeah, they're good. Now I can just wear any shoe anytime and yeah, we're done here. To make a tutorial for like a makeup tutorial, and I want to go for the kind of 90s old look, but I do not have like a bob wig or a curly wig, so I decided to take my normal straight but short wigs and curl it. So I am in the process of curling it. As you can see, I did try, I think a day before yesterday, to play around curling it. It didn't come out good, but it was not bad either, but I kind of liked the vibe. So it kind of inspired me to do like a kind of old kind of makeup look. So yeah, I am in the middle of curling my old wig, as you can see. It doesn't give me the vibes I'm looking for now, but I hope it will. I've already curled half of it and I'm gonna be curling the other half on camera with you. I'm not gonna be doing the tutorial in this vlog, but I think I will show you the end look and yeah, probably the installation part, reinstallation part I mean. So yeah, let's just go on and curl the wig so we can like achieve what we're going for the tutorial that I want to give. So yeah, let's just go on and curl the wig. But for now, it kind of gives me these Mother Teresa vibes. I've never owned a curly wig, so I'm trying to make one myself, manifesting one myself. So yeah, let's just go on and curl these wig okwangoku.